Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with posture and a brief warm-up. This primes muscles and reduces injury risk. Make sure feet are grounded and your ribs are down, then breathe slowly. Next, pick 3 simple moves: dead bug, plank, and bird dog. Do 1 set of each with controlled tempo, 3 seconds down, 1 second hold, so you learn the pattern. Once done, rest 30-45 seconds and repeat. This first step builds a stable foundation. Keep your focus on quality, not quantity. You now progress by adding controlled load and variety. This is where strength gains happen. Begin alternating planes, perform Palloff press for anti-rotation, side plank for lateral control, and hollow holds for anti-extension. Make each rep slow and deliberate. If you rush, the core shuts off. Once done with a set, reset breathing and core tension before the next move. Track small weekly increases, time, reps, or a light weight, so the nervous system adapts without compromising form. You finish by consolidating gains and checking for issues. Cool down with diaphragmatic breathing and gentle hip flexor and lower back stretches to restore mobility. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Scale back to easier regressions like knee planks or consult a professional. Pain indicates compensation. Make sure to log each session so you see progress and avoid plateaus. One key troubleshooting tip: if your low back arches, reduce range of motion and focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.